What is up, guys? So I thought I would vlog for a little bit, but right now I'm sitting in my floor trying to reorganize all my makeup. It's ridiculous. I have some like these medicine things up under my eyes. I don't even know where they are because they're like in this whole thing of mess, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working with here. Like, look at all of this makeup. My two bins. It's just like I have that organized kind of, but like all the rest of this is not. Those two, like that top one has like a few things in it, but the bottom doesn't. Today is just one of those days where I just wanted to kind of clean and straighten up the rug that I had in my floor. Down here under my vanity stuff, I actually moved it right there. Just because it gets dirty really quick and I just kind of hated it under my vanity, so I just moved it over near my bed. And my little makeup palette holder that I made, which I should have did a video on, I never showed you guys, but I'm gonna show you how it was. Okay, so I had these two things here, just they're napkin holders, and I taped them and I had them sitting like this, like one on top of the other, and I dropped it and now they're disconnected, so I'm thinking about maybe using them like that. I don't know, we'll just have to see what happens with that. So I just need to finish cleaning up all this stuff. I look like a total wreck. My hair is just not that cute today, but whatever. I am looking for a package to come in the mail today, so if that comes, I am gonna box it with you guys. I think when I checked it that it was out, so so it should be here soon, hopefully. But yeah, I'm super excited about this purchase, so you guys will see it later. But until then, I'm gonna finish straightening up some of this mess and get myself organized. And when I film, I actually move my little vanity desk here, so I'm trying to figure out like what I want all sitting on top of that. I'm thinking about things here on top of that vanity desk, so when I move it I can put products in these and use it, because I have been just using like a little basket, like this basket here, and those are all my products from the video that I filmed yesterday, which won't probably be up until probably Thursday. I'm not sure, still trying to figure out a whole filming schedule and everything, but yeah, I just really need to tackle all this stuff because this right here is just unacceptable. I may do like another vanity tour or makeup collection or something. I'm not sure yet, but let me just go ahead and get this done and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay guys, so today has not been the best day for me, but I have something that'll make it a little bit better, and I got my package in the mail. That box is huge and I thought I would open it up with you guys so you can see what it is. So let's just get into it and get my scissors. Ew, my hair is like a mess. I tried to throw it up in a ponytail and your girl is still looking not too good. Got my scissors. Let's just go ahead and open this box. I think I'm gonna sit on the floor with it because yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're gonna figure it out so you guys can see me open this box. I'm gonna just scoot it on this side so I can sit my camera down. I don't know what is on my camera, but I'm gonna need to get that because like you guys see the speck right here, like something must be on my lens, but I don't see it, and I'm gonna need to get that. So let's open this box. Inside the box was another box, which you guys are going to see in a minute, and there's actually like another box all the way down there. How is your girl supposed to get that? I'm about to tilt the box and reach down. Okay, we got that box, and we got another box. Okay guys, so I got these items. I have these 3 boxes, and as you guys can already see, it is a ring light. This is the little black hot shoe thingy and the stand. Okay, so let's open this up. Put all these on the floor. Alright, so I'm gonna open this last, these 2 last. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. And it looks like this. Just gotta figure out how to open this. Actually, it has like little flaps. Oh, okay. And this is it. I'm so excited. You guys, like, this is so surreal. Like, I've been wanting a ring light forever, and like, I finally got it. So happy. Shout outs to my mom for getting me this. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like so far. So this is it. I think I got the 18-inch. Not really sure what this is, but that comes in there. And we have this. So let's see. Take that off. Okay, I'm trying to get this out of here, and I'm struggling. Oh, I got it. It's good. I'm so happy that the bulb didn't break. This didn't come with the like the, what is it, the diffusers. It didn't come with that, but it's okay. It's fine. I can just always buy the diffusers separate at some point. So this is what the ring light looks like. Let's actually plug it in and see if it works. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and see, make sure the bulb works and everything. And it actually has like a little knob. Holy smokes. Alright, this is the brightest. You guys, my videos are about to be so lit. Like, oh, it's kind of bright because I don't have diffuser on it, but I mean, I will deal with that until I can buy one. But this joint, is bright, and it can go down. This is the lowest setting, and this is the highest. Holy shoot. And then you can twist it off. So, okay. I definitely need to buy a new mini tripod. This one is kind of starting to mess up on me. And I got that one from Wish, but whatever. Half of my head is like cut off, but I don't even care right now. I'm just gonna move it back just a little bit. So it did come with this. I didn't even think this came with it, but this is the black hot shoe candle head is what it says. So this is where my camera can mount to my ring lights. So it comes with, I think this is instructions right here. Yep, this is just the instructions. But this is what it looks like here. This is the part that you mount. And this is where you put your camera. So yeah, I am gonna put that on here. And the other thing is the stand. So let's just go ahead and open the stand. Also, almost broke my nail. They need to be redone anyway, but yeah. And here is the stand. So I'm gonna keep that little baggie. This is the stand. Not really sure how this is supposed to go, but I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe I should watch some YouTube videos on how to set this stand up, because I'm like slow right now. And this is like really sturdy. So wait, what is this for? Maybe that's why it's so tight, because of this part here. I have some messages going on, but okay. I guess this is it. I guess it's supposed to go like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna just tighten that back up. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to mount my ring light to the stand. And you can put the stand to whatever level you want it. There's like these little things here, and you just unscrew them and pull it up. And then you just screw it to tighten it back. It's probably gonna need to go up a little bit more, but yeah. Let's try to put the ring light on.
Screw this in knob.
Okay guys, so I think I did something wrong, because look at this. Like, what? Why is it like a gap? I'm gonna have to look up some YouTube videos, and I'll be back guys to show you when I'm done, because your girl is struggling like she always is, and it's like really no instructions, to be honest. So yeah, and that's all the pieces. So I'll holler at y'all in a sec. Okay guys, so I finally got the whole thing set up, and that is what it looks like. It took me forever to get this to like go in here. It just seemed like it was just the bottom attachment piece was just like moving around and stuff. But that's where my camera will be going. And then on the back, I didn't show you guys this, but it's not focusing. Right here is how you turn it on and how you would dim it and everything. So that's just how you turn it on and off and everything. I stick my camera on it and show you guys the level of brightness with me just standing here. This is like pretty much at my level. So yeah, so let me go ahead and attach my camera, and I'll show you guys the different lightings, like the different settings that they have for it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can see the level of brightness. This is about to be so bright because I don't have the diffuser. It didn't come with the diffusers. It came with the tripod part, which is called the hot shoe. I don't have the box, but the little hot shoe part for your camera, the ring light, and the stand. It all came in a bundle for like, I think 80 bucks and some change. And yeah, so I would probably have to buy some diffuser, either the ones that clamp on or like the other one, the other kind, and put over this. But let's just go ahead and turn it on. Whoa. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is at the lowest setting possible. this is what it would look like. And then let's just turn it up some. Okay, that's a little bit more. This is at, all right here is at its brightest capacity. Like, this is so bright. Like, my room is like so lit right now. Like, I'm super 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 happy with this purchase. I actually don't mind actually not having a diffuser, because it just makes me look at the camera a little bit more and not so much as my viewfinder at the top. But I like it so far and I love it, and I thank my mom so much for buying me this. But yeah guys, this is going to be the end of my vlog. I'm not going to be doing anything else, but I knew this package was coming today and I really wanted to share with you guys. If you guys like this ring light, please give this vlog a thumbs up. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I feel like my videos are going to be way better now that I have this ring light, because it just gives me way more brightness than my old ring light. Actually, let me bring my old DIY ring light over here so you guys can see it. I'll probably turn this one off, I don't know, but I'm gonna bring that one over here so you guys can see how bright that one is compared to this one. So this is my DIY ring light that I made. It's just LED lights and a wire wreath and some aluminum foil, and I just attach it to my tripod. This tripod is like so old and raggedy. I'm buying a new one, but now I kind of feel like I don't really need it because of this has a hot shoe, but I'm still gonna use it. But I'm gonna turn this one off and turn this one on so you guys can see kind of a difference with the lightings. So let me just go ahead and turn this one off. Okay, this one is actually not at the same level as this tripod. Like, this one is like way taller than just a regular tripod. Plug this up and show you guys this one. This one, it's bright, but it's just not as bright as this one. I feel like this one gives me way more light, and I can actually film at night if I wanted to with this ring light. But as soon as you plug this one in, this is the lighting that it gives me. It's not too bad, but I feel like this one is giving me more of a bluish effect, kinda. I don't know, it's bright but not too bright. But if like you're just starting off on YouTube and you want some good lighting, this does work, you know what I'm saying? But compared to this one on the lowest setting, it's way brighter, like way brighter. But maybe I'll like use this to like light up my background or something. I still will find a use for this ring light to incorporate it, but I feel like I'm not gonna need it like now, you guys. You know, like you can see all my imperfections. Like, this looks so bomb. I love this light so much. Don't get me wrong, I love this light for the longest. It helped my videos out a lot, but I just couldn't really film at night with this because my room light is yellow, and then with this it would give me light but not too much light. But yeah guys, peace out, Q Squad, love y'all.